Building an employee portal that your employees actually want to use instead of sending you an email or picking up the phone is actually one of the great goals of a service desk team. If you can do that, then your end users can get to their information and resolutions faster, and it frees your team up from being on the phones or responding to emails individually. And you can customize it in many, many ways. It's actually pretty easy. So let me show you how to do that real fast. Once you're in SolarWinds Service Desk, just go down to Setup, select Global Settings, and then Service Portal. And then to start working with your employee portal, just hit Open Designer. And if you've ever customized a dashboard in SolarWinds Service Desk, this is going to seem very, very familiar. It's built around the same concept. One of the things I like to do with a portal like this is actually take the most common support requests and build kind of a focal point for them so people are encouraged to click on that and get the solutions. These are a couple good examples where we have a password reset, a return to office, and Wi-Fi issues. If I look at any of those, you can see we can put in a title, the link that we want to go to, an icon, and coloring. Now, if this doesn't happen to meet your branding, of course you can change this to anything you want, anywhere in the spectrum. Then you can go ahead and organize these in whatever fashion works best for you. So you can close the widget. So for these top 3 types of service requests, I want to go ahead and put them to the right rail. So password reset, return to office, Wi-Fi issues. Great. Nearly everything in here is customizable for your needs and those of your employees. Once you're happy with the layout, you should hit Save and Preview. And that'll jump you to a new page where you can actually see what it looks like. Well, that's not quite right. So we can just go back. Enlarge that slightly. Save and Preview. Now I'm happy. Since this configuration's been saved, I can share this out with other people and get their input on it as well. But when I'm ready to make it live, I just hit Publish. You can see it's pretty easy to go ahead and configure customizations on your employee portal. And what that does for you is frees up your time because your end user is able to self-serve and get their issues resolved more quickly.